to this channel. I am Advocate Anuradha and today we will be discussing about the provisions of bail under CRPC. So first of all, the question arises, what is bail? Bail is release from legal custody. To understand it in simple language, bail is release from legal custody. This is as per the definition given under Black's Law Dictionary, 4th edition. It is also a conditional release. It is also a conditional release. Conditional release that you submit. You here refers to accused. That the accused submit himself to the jurisdiction. Himself to the jurisdiction and appear whenever required. जब भी उसे कोर्ट में बुलाया जाएगा वो उसी कंडीशंस के हिसाब से कोर्ट में अपीयर भी होगा. Now moving further, bail is also security for the appearance. Bail is security for the appearance of accused person. ये सिक्योरिटी फर्निश करने के बाद ही इज रिलीज्ड इन अ पेंडिंग ट्रायल और इन्वेस्टिगेशन. जिस केस में ट्रायल पेंडिंग है या इन्वेस्टिगेशन पेंडिंग है उस केस में एक्यूज्ड को बेल ग्रांट की जा सकती है एंड बेल इज सिक्योरिटी फॉर अपीयरेंस ऑफ दैट एक्यूज्ड पर्सन. Now CRPC deals with two types of offenses: bailable and non-bailable. Bailable offenses and non-bailable offenses. Now there is a flow chart that will make it clear to you. Let's begin with it. Bail. Bail is of three types: regular bail, anticipatory bail, and default bail. Regular bail is granted after arrest. This is granted in apprehension of arrest. मतलब अरेस्ट होने का खतरा है, अरेस्ट होने का डर है, इसीलिए ये एंटिसिपेटरी बेल ग्रांट की जा सकती है. In apprehension of arrest. And default bail, as we have already talked in our earlier video, default bail is covered under section 167 clause 2 proviso. Now after arrest, this bail may be granted as a matter of right. This bail can be granted under two heads: as a matter of right or at the discretion of the court. When it is as a matter of right, when this bail is granted as a matter of right, then it is granted under bailable and other cases. Bailable offenses and other cases that are covered under section 436 of CRPC. And when we talk about at the discretion of the court, मतलब कोर्ट की मर्जी है कि वो बेल ग्रांट करे या ना करे. तो डिस्क्रिशन कोर्ट का कब होगा? When the offense is a non-bailable offense. Now this can be further categorized into section 437 and section 439. So section 430, before going to section 437 and section 439, let's take a look at this section 438. where anticipatory bail is given. So this is at the discretion of the court. कोर्ट की मर्जी है वो ये बेल ग्रांट करे या ना करे. Discretion of the court. Granted only in non-bailable offences. Non-bailable offences. And only High Court or Court of Session may grant this bail. Moving ahead with this section, bail applies to all three stages. This is an important part to remember. Bail applies to all three stages. All three stages means investigation, inquiry, trial. So let's move ahead with this section. Let's talk about regular bail first. Regular bail can be granted by metropolitan magistrate or a judicial magistrate or High Court or Court of Session. This is under section 437 I've already talked about, and section 439. Section 436A talks about maximum imprisonment for under trial prisoners. So there is a landmark judgment, that is Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar. In this case, it was held that where punishment is below 7 years, कोई भी ऐसा ऑफेंस हुआ है जिसकी पनिशमेंट 7 years से कम है, then police shall not arrest the accused. अगर 7 साल से कम की सजा है उस ऑफेंस में, तो पुलिस एक्यूज्ड को अरेस्ट नहीं करेगी unnecessarily, and magistrate shall not pass or authorize detention casually and mechanically. Now, if there is a failure to comply, then police officer, department inquiry as well as contempt of court is taken into consideration. अगर police officer court का ये कहा नहीं मानता है and police officer arrest that accused person who has committed an offense where punishment is under 7 years, then department inquiry can be held और उसे contempt of court भी माना जा सकता है. Now there are 4 terms which you should be aware of: bail, bond, security, and surety. Bail, as I've already said, that it is a process by which accused is released from custody, legal custody. Now, what is bond? Bond is a promise in the form of a document. एक डॉक्यूमेंट की फॉर्म में एक प्रॉमिस होता है कि मैं अपीयर हो जाऊंगी जब भी जरूरत होगी या कोर्ट मुझे बुलाएगा. I will appear as and when required. This document is signed by the accused. Signed by the accused, and this is as per Schedule 2, Form number 45. Now, what is security? Security is the amount of money. Amount of money backed of bail bond, there is an affidavit which must be signed by the surety. सिक्योरिटी क्या होता है? एक अमाउंट ऑफ मनी होता है, एक मनी जो है एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट फिक्स करी जाती है कि आपको इतना पैसा देना पड़ेगा, एंड देयर इज एन एफिडेविट व्हिच मस्ट बी साइंड बाय द श्योरिटी. एंड हु इज श्योरिटी? श्योरिटी इज द पर्सन who acts as guarantor for the accused. श्योरिटी वो पर्सन होता है जो गारंटी लेता है कि एक्यूज्ड पर्सन जब भी उसको बुलाया जाएगा तो ही विल अपीयर इन द कोर्ट व्हेनेवर कॉल्ड. तो श्योरिटी एक पर्सन होता है जो इस चीज की गारंटी लेकर कहता है कि जब भी कोर्ट एक्यूज्ड को बुलाएगा कोर्ट में, एक्यूज्ड पेश हो जाएगा कोर्ट में. नाउ हु कैन ग्रांट बेल? द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, हु कैन ग्रांट बेल? Now, CRPC confers power to grant bail on magistrate, and police. You might be wondering how police can grant bail. Police can release accused in first 24 hours of his arrest. Whereas magistrate, when it comes to magistrate, एक बार अगर accused arrest हो जाता है तो उसे मजिस्ट्रेट के सामने ले जाया जाता है. The accused person is produced in the court. जब अरेस्टेड पर्सन मजिस्ट्रेट के सामने पेश हो गया एक बार कोर्ट में, then police has no power to grant him the bail. Police has only power to release that person in first 24 hours of his arrest. Now, when can bail be granted? Next question arises, when can bail be granted? Bail can be granted under section 436 in non-bailable cases as per section 437, 439, non-bailable cases on apprehension of arrest, that is section 438. So I hope you all have understood the basic concept with respect to bail. That's all for today. If you have any doubt or any question with respect to this concept, you can leave it in the comment box. Thank you.